Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to get your old guest account back in FC Mobile. So how can you get it? First of all, open the FC Mobile application, and once you're at the home page, so you just need to click on the settings, which is on the upper right corner. So just click on settings, and once you click on settings, you can see your UID, or you can see the first option is link accounts, and you can see some kind of gift icon in front of it as well. So just click on this gift button, and once you click here, you will see these options, like if you want to link your account with EA account, with Facebook, with Apple, with Line, or with Game Center. Now my current account is basically linked with Game Center, so I'm able to get my guest account back. So make sure that your guest account was already linked with any of these options, and once you have linked your guest account with these options, so after that you just need to open the game and just click on the account where your account was linked already, like EA account or Game Center, Line, sign in with Apple or Facebook, whatever the option was. Just click on it, link it, and you will get your guest account back, all the data, all the information, everything. Now let's say if you don't have that information, or you haven't linked your account, the basically guest account, with any of these, so you might not be able to get it, because the guest accounts are already like only limited to the devices. If you change the device, you won't be able to get it. So that is all about how you can do it.